Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to use if condition blocks in MacroDroid. These conditions help you create smarter and more responsive automation based on real-time decisions such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi status, user confirmation, and more. What is an if condition? In MacroDroid, an if condition acts like a checkpoint that checks whether something is true or false before running the action. If condition is met, the action inside it will be executed. If not, they will be skipped. Or if you added an else clause, those alternate action will be executed instantly. It's a powerful feature that allows you to make your micros dynamic and context aware. For example, confirm dialog condition. Let's look at the first type of if condition, the confirm dialog. This condition shows as pop-up to the user asking whether they want to process. First of all, create a macro, click on add macro and click on plus button and click on condition and loop. Then option is confirm next. Click on confirm next. You will see a dialog box titled confirm macro with default button, OK and cancel. You can rename the button, for example, change them to yes and no. If the user process yes, the action inside the blocks will run. If user process no, nothing will happen. Okay, this confirm action. Add a simple pop-up message like confirm inside the condition to set it for plus this plus action and search pop-up message and type here confirm and OK. When you run this macro, first of all, add the trigger. For example, anti-trigger in this macro got a specific and anti-trigger. You can test trigger from here. Okay? If I test this action, click on empty trigger and test trigger. This pop-up will show confirm macro. Do you want to run this macro? I set button no and yes. If I click on yes, the pop-up message will show confirmed. Okay, again test this time I click on no, that's why nothing happened. Now example 2, if condition with else clause. What if you want to do one thing when the condition is true and something else when it's false? That's where the else clause comes in. Add an if condition. You can click on if clause. You can add an condition like click on plus button. We can make check Bluetooth status. So let's create a practical example using your Bluetooth inside connectivity, Bluetooth state and Bluetooth enabled. You can choose this and OK. You can OK. Inside if condition, you can add a pop-up message like we can copy this pop-up message like click here and copy and click here and if and paste action above. Insert this action inside the if condition and you can confirm. You can configure this pop-up message, configure and change the pop-up message Bluetooth enabled and OK. And you can add else condition on this if condition. For click on if condition and add else clause. Click. You can see else condition added here. Paste pop-up message. Click on and if and paste action above. Paste this action. Again configure this pop-up message and message change to Bluetooth is off. OK and OK. You can now disable this first action. Click by disable and you can disable this first pop-up message and you can test by empty trigger, test trigger. Now message is when Bluetooth is off because now Bluetooth is off. OK, test Bluetooth. I turn on. Now test this. Now Bluetooth enabled. Pop-up message will appear. OK. This is a simple way to adapt behavior based on your phone's real-time status. Now, what if you want to check multiple conditions at once? MacroDroid allows combining multiple conditions using and both must be true or at least one must be true. Example, first condition Bluetooth is on, like configure this if condition. First condition is Bluetooth is enabled. We can add and more condition by click here plus button and insert connectivity, mobile data on or off, mobile data on. Okay. Now two condition will added in the condition and here is a button. Okay, and four and okay, and change pop-up message, Bluetooth and hotspot. Now mobile data is on. Okay and okay. Now you can check this. Click by empty trigger and test trigger. You can see Bluetooth is off appear because now Bluetooth is on and but mobile data is off. If I on mobile data and check empty trigger, test trigger, now Bluetooth and mobile data is on. Pop-up message appear. Okay. If mobile data or Bluetooth is off to if condition not satisfied, that's why Bluetooth and Wi-Fi data is not appear. Okay. Now change it to or logic to configure this if condition, change and to or and okay. Even if one is true, the pop-up will show. This gives you flexibility for fallback behavior like test trigger. Now Bluetooth and mobile data is on because mobile data on or Bluetooth is on. Okay, that's why condition satisfied, pop-up message will be shown. Now you can also use if conditions with trigger and constraint for better control. Example, trigger Bluetooth disable, like click on trigger button and inside connectivity Bluetooth event and Bluetooth disable, choose here from here and okay. And you can add constraint here. Click by constraint button, inside connectivity, Bluetooth state and Bluetooth, choose Bluetooth disable. Now disable previous if condition. Click by if condition and click disable include child. Okay, while action will be disabled. Now add a new pop-up message. Now add a pop-up message. You can search here pop-up message. Click here pop-up message and type message here Bluetooth. Just click on OK. Now pop-up message will be added on action. Okay, you can test by click Bluetooth disable trigger and click on test trigger. Now Bluetooth just turn off. Pop-up message will be shown. You can run this macro or save this and okay, you can save this macro on this macro, right? And if I Bluetooth disable from here, now message will be shown Bluetooth just turn off. Okay, this ensure your macro only runs under a specific condition. You can use constant like time, location, battery level, Wi-Fi status, etc. Now test nested condition and else if structure. MacroDroid also allows nested if conditions using else if chain. Example use case, first if condition Wi-Fi is on, like click here plus button, inside condition loop, if clause and here choose Wi-Fi is on, like inside connectivity, Wi-Fi state, Wi-Fi enabled. Okay, now condition on added Wi-Fi enabled and okay. A if condition now added action on action. Insert if condition, cut this pop-up message by cut here and paste inside if condition. Okay, and configure this pop-up message and type message Wi-Fi is on and okay. You can add else if by click if condition add else if clause and click here condition connectivity and Bluetooth state Bluetooth enabled. Okay, now click on OK. Now else if added on if condition, click paste this pop-up message again here and configure this message Bluetooth is on and OK, and you can add else condition by click on if condition and add else clause. Again paste here inside else condition and configure this message. Another Wi-Fi your Bluetooth is on and click on OK. Press this action, click by empty trigger, test trigger. Now message will happen. Another Wi-Fi not Bluetooth is on because now Wi-Fi is off and Bluetooth is off. If I turn on Wi-Fi, now Wi-Fi is enabled. Now test what happened. Click by and trigger, test trigger. Now message appear Wi-Fi is on because now Wi-Fi is on. If I turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth and test this and trigger, test trigger. Now Bluetooth is on. Okay. If I turn off this also Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, now action. Now check if condition Wi-Fi not enabled and Bluetooth not enabled to action run in else clause. Okay. Now check this. Click by and trigger, test trigger. Now neither Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is on. Okay. This creates a decision tree that adapt based on your device state. Now real life scenario. With constraint. Now let's build a more complex automation example. Bluetooth is on or condition 2 mobile data is on, combine using or constraint only between 8 AM to 10 PM. Action device is online. You can keep adding as many conditions or constraints as needed, and that's how you can use if condition in MacroDroid to create powerful dynamic automations. From simple confirmation dialog to complex logic with multiple condition and constraint, if condition help you make smarter macros. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more automation guidance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.